If you are limited on space and you still want to garden, please know that you can do that. And we would love to walk along with you in that journey and help you and give you advice and information that you need to be successful. We decided to start carrying some grow bags because we know that folks sometimes have a balcony or a patio and they don't have a lot of space, and we wanted to be sure that we offer what they need so that they can grow their own food, or just even simple little flower gardens or herb gardens. So we have these breathable fabric bags. This one's a pretty good size here that you can fill up with potting soil and actually grow a garden in it. And the great thing is that you can take them with you. So if you move, we live near Fort Campbell and we have a lot of families who are transient, and they can actually take these with them. We have green ones, we have black ones, you can kind of see. And then we've got red ones that have handles on them where you can just pick it up and move it. The water will permeate through the felt bag. It's breathable, so the plants are going to get the air that they need. And it's just a great way to garden if you don't have a lot of space. Or even if you do have a lot of space and it's just maybe a difficult task for you to go outside and plant a really big garden, this is a great way to do that, to grow something.